Hello, this is John Diaz here, reporting from Pennsylvania. I'm here at a yard of a contractor that does logging. As you can see, this is how it all starts from the mountains behind you, and then they take down trees. They can either thin the forest out or harvest a certain area, and then it ends up here, and after here it's distributed out to the mills who produce other products such as construction wood. You can see back there they have the trailers. They got a bunch of them loaded up and a bunch of them empty. Then they have the wheel loaders. With all the grapples that can lift these materials, lifts them up in the air and loads them. And then they cut them up in various sizes. This one they have at a 20-footer. They got 10 feet, and so on. And they mark them. Look at this beast. A Doosan DL320. Basically a forklift with a rounded grapple activated by two rear cylinders that raise the grapple and lower it. Look at these tires. These tires are about a little over 4 feet, I'd say. Probably. Look at that big cylinder. And there's the hydraulic connections for the grapple. Creating jobs in America, guys. Imagine if they cleaned up the forests across America like I had mentioned in the previous videos. These yards would be way fuller. It would create millions of new jobs that don't exist. And we need a lot of wood in America to sustain development, construction, commercial and residential. And we could become a global exporter. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please push the like button. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe for new and upcoming content. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching the videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.